Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, a supported Windows 11 build, and a signed-in Microsoft account. Once done, enable Copilot in Settings Privacy and Security, toggle Copilot on. Then open Copilot with Win+C or the taskbar icon. This immediate step gets the UI ready, and it matters because Copilot needs system permissions to access apps and context. Make sure notifications and microphone permissions are allowed, so it can listen and provide contextual answers without delays or blocked features. Now configure Copilot behavior. Choose voice input, adjust context depth, and enable app integrations so Copilot can act across Mail, Edge, and Office. Use clear, natural prompts, ask for summaries, meeting notes, code snippets, or file actions so it returns precise results. Once Copilot presents answers, pin important responses, copy or share them, and drag content directly into documents or chats. These steps let you move from insight to action quickly, and they reduce repetitive tasks because Copilot can operate inside apps on your behalf. Finish by refining your workflow. Review Copilot history to see what worked, then tweak prompts for clarity and specificity. Make sure app permissions and microphone access remain enabled, and sign out and back in if integrations act up. If Copilot becomes unresponsive, reset it in Settings Privacy and Security Windows Copilot or run Windows Update to apply fixes. This reset often resolves cache or permission glitches. Try it before deeper troubleshooting, and it usually restores full Copilot functionality without reinstalling the OS.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.